We want to help you determine exactly which two-post is right for you. So in this video, we're going to discuss the 5 things you must know when purchasing a two-post lift. Now, the absolute first thing to know is, do you have enough space? I know it sounds simple, but we cannot stress enough how important it is to answer this question. Not only is it necessary for your space to fit the lift itself, but you're going to need to factor in how much space you'll have around the lift. Space for walking around the lift, opening cabinets or drawers if necessary, and making sure when you're lifting you have enough room to the front and to the back to properly load your vehicles. Remember, ample ceiling height and side-to-side clearance is a must. Now, it's also important to know the dimensions and the weights of the vehicles you plan to lift. Having this information will help you select the proper model, especially when considering things like drive-through clearance, which is making sure that you can fit your vehicles between the posts. Now, fortunately, BendPak offers a wide variety of configurations, giving you ultimate flexibility when choosing your lift. The second thing to consider is what weight capacity will you need. BendPak two-posts are available with capacities ranging from 7,000 to 18,000 pounds. Now, most passenger vehicles, including light trucks, tend to be under 10,000 pounds, making BendPak's 10,000 pound capacity two-post lift a favorite for people with a wide variety of projects. We suggest checking the largest vehicle you plan to lift and use that as a guide for what you'll need. Next up, will you choose symmetric or asymmetric lift for your configuration? Generally, this simply comes down to what you're going to be lifting and how easy it is to open the doors to get in and out of the vehicle. If you're lifting mostly trucks, you may find that symmetric lifts offer better clearance, while asymmetric lifts tend to offer better clearance for smaller cars. Many BendPak lifts feature our true metric arm design, allowing vehicles to be loaded symmetrically or asymmetrically, even with symmetrical posts. Ultimately, it comes down to what works best for you. Fourth on the list is flooring. Is your flooring able to support the lift? Concrete floor requirements will change depending on which two-post lift model you consider. You'll find the 2 things you absolutely have to know are the thickness and pressure strength of your existing floor. You can find all concrete floor requirements on our website at www.bendpak.com/floor. It will save a ton of time and headache having this information beforehand. Our 5th and final consideration when purchasing a two-post lift is, what accessories am I going to need? For example, if you're planning to lift a truck, we highly recommend purchasing a set of frame cradle pads. These provide safe contact with your truck's frame and ensure your vehicle has nowhere to go but up. Planning on pulling out a motor or transmission? You may want to consider getting one of our high-lift jack stands to stabilize the load as the weight distribution changes. And of course, you'll want an upright rolling oil drain. Changing fluids is probably one of the big reasons you're getting a two-post lift in the first place. Our Ranger line of shop equipment has you covered with multiple oil drain options to choose from. Having all of this information ready to go will make your lift buying experience much easier and stress-free. Now, let's recap. Number 1, know your shop or garage's dimensions. Number 2, know your desired lifting capacity. Number 3, know whether you want a symmetric or asymmetric lift configuration. Number 4, know that your concrete floor is up to spec. And number 5, know what accessories you'll need to have the smoothest and safest experience using your new lift. If you have any questions or are ready to put one of America's most popular two-post lifts in your shop or garage, contact a BendPak product specialist and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching.